Hey everyone, this is Mr. Patterson here, and today I'm going to show you how to add audio into your Google Slides presentation. So let's begin. So I'm going to share my screen. So for our project, we're supposed to add audio into our Google Slides presentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 123 apps. And once you're at 123 apps, all you're going to do is you're going to go to voice recorder. And then click on the red button, and then 123 does the rest. It captures your voice, the softest, like really softly, and extremely loud like this. So if you feel like you're done with explaining your part for your presentation, just hit the red button. All right, so as you can see here, I'm gonna get like a little highlight button really quick. If you can see this really quickly, these are our little tabs to either trim or audio file. So if you like your trim to start off with you talking, then fantastic. And then if you like to end your audio recording with the point where you're starting to increase your voice level, then you can end it right there. And then after that, you'll just click on this magic button where it says save. And then on this button right here, let me see if I can just make it a little bit better. You see this guy right here? That is where the audio file is currently saved. It's saved in my Google Drive, not Google Drive, I'm sorry. It's saved to my audio downloads files on this computer. And if this is on your Chromebook, you're gonna go to your downloads folder and you'll be able to find the downloads folder there, all right? So then after that, excuse me, once I do that, I'm just gonna go make a new tab really quickly and just go to Drive, my Google Drive folder. All right, great. So as you notice, whenever you go to your Google Drive, sometimes it will go to priorities, but right now, if it's set for priorities, you need to click on where it says My Drive, and that's where you should save your audio file. If you're using Google Chrome like me, your audio file will be on the bottom left-hand corner where I circled the box. You're gonna click on it and drag it into your Google Drive. That's how you're going to attach your audio project into Google Slides. Watch this. So just click on it and drag. It'll give you a notification on the bottom right-hand corner. It's still loading. There it is. Since I made multiple recordings, I'm just going to hit update existing. All right, and then magically saved. You should get a green check to know when you have when your audio file is successfully saved in Google Drive. Then lastly, all you have to do now is just go to a presentation. This is my overexposure and internet predators presentation that I'm doing with 7th grade. So then all you have to do to insert it is just go to Insert, Audio, and it's going to pop up your Google Drive folder where it has like audio files in it. And boom, it's all right here. I'm just going to click on an audio file really quick. Just click on it and hit select. And any second now, my computer's about to die soon. And then boom, now you should see where there's now a volume button on the right-hand corner or anywhere in your presentation. That is it. That is how you successfully insert a audio file into Google Slides. Now, if you do have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.